How's it going, everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some tint, and I don't know if it's picking it up, but it is a super foggy morning. But I don't know if you guys have seen it at all, but the car does have some tint already on it from when we purchased it. Nothing on the front windshield at all, but we got it on the sides. It's not too dark. You can definitely still see in it whenever you walk up to the car. I'm pretty sure it's going to be probably either legal limit or just like factory tint that came with the car. But we are going to be making it just a little bit darker. We're going to be tinting the back windshield and then also putting on a tint banner as well. And man, it is a super foggy morning. But without any further showing, I'll put you guys up in the car and we'll have a nice little drive over to the tint shop. It's not too far, and I get a great drive back in the Supra. So let's put you on. I'll see you guys in just a minute. If you guys did watch the last video, we did install the BPV on the car, and in the final clips of the video I added some sound clips for the BPV, and it was pretty hard to hear, to say the least. So hopefully with doing an interior video with an actual camera, hopefully you guys are going to be able to hear it. Baby pull. Gosh, this car is so much fun. All right, and here we are. Very excited. I've been wanting to do tint for about 7 months since we got the car, so I'll definitely pick this video back up whenever we have the car back. Shouldn't be too long, probably be about the end of the day, so I'll see you guys in just a minute. All right, so we are back from getting tint. So it has been a few days and the car is looking absolutely amazing with it. Whenever I'm driving, it feels like I'm in a little rocket ship now with how dark the car is on the inside. It's quite nice. I don't have to worry about people staring at me now, even though I drive with the windows down pretty much 100% of the time. But I'll turn the camera around and let's take a look. Alright, so we got a nice little walk around of the car, and I asked for a tint banner rather than getting the front windshield actually fully tinted. But last time I put the camera up to the window, but I guess with the front windshield not being fully tinted, you're still going to get some light seeping through, but I mean, all you pretty much see is that it's a reflection. It almost looks like I'm taking a video. Like, it is quite nice. And for not getting the I guess like the heat resistant tint, the car actually seems to be a lot cooler, especially with these days that it's hitting almost 100 degrees. So it's been quite nice. But let's hop in and I'll show how dark it actually is. But here it is from the inside. And the tint banner actually makes a world of difference. But it is quite dark in here. Quite nice. And if you guys have made it this far in the video, then I'll give you guys a little sneak peek as to what is to come next. Actually, right as I turn off the camera, I am going to be starting up the next install video. So if you guys ever want to see these early without me posting a video, you know, of new parts or kind of what's going on, then definitely follow my social medias. I'll put a pickup on the screen of what all my social media usernames are going to be. So as always, I really appreciate the support and hope you guys enjoyed it as always. Please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I don't want to give too much away from the sneak peek, but all I have to say is it comes in this type of box. There is some writing on it. I'm not going to let you guys see it because I might give it away, but this is all I'm doing. This is my hint. So I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys liked the video. Like always, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.